Okay, this is Mrs. Pugh, and I just wanted to share some things for Parent Teacher Conference this year. Questions I get asked a lot, and some things that I could help you. So, the first thing is these are the questions that I frequently get asked. Where can I find my student's grade? How can they raise their grade? When is our next test? And what do we do when we are absent? So, the first thing I want to look at is Skyward. Skyward is where you find your grades. Do not look in Canvas for your grades, those are not all of our assignments, and it is never accurate. So Skyward is where you should be looking for your students' grades. Your students should be able to tell you how to log into Skyward. They should be able to do it. And so if they're telling you they don't know how, then check with them again because they all know how to do that. When you get into Skyward, this is what you'll see for a progress report. So there is the student's name where the purple box is. I blocked it out to keep privacy. Then it has my name and our class, and then it has their current grade. Then it has some absences and things like that. So these are different categories that we use for 7th grade math. Right now, we only have homework and quiz grades. We decided that our last test we did as a quiz grade instead of a test grade. So then you'll see all of the assignments listed. These are all homework assignments. And then you can see what grades the student had on homework. If you look right here, the student has one homework assignment missing. That's why there's a 0 in for that grade. So if they got that one in, that would raise their assignment grade up. Then these are the majority of your grades right now are from the quizzes. So we had our inequalities test. That was a big one. That was worth 48 points. Should have their grade. And then we had another quiz recently that the students did have a chance to retake to raise those grades up. So these two are the majority of your grades. So if you're wanting an A, you would have had to have gotten an A on both of these assignments. So if a student wants to change their grade, they can retake any test or quiz at any time. It has to be done well before the end of term. It can't be last minute. They can also redo homework assignments that have low scores if they want to redo those to get their grade raised. But the best option to change a grade is going to be to retake tests or quizzes. We do test corrections in class. The corrections are not going to change their grade. The purpose of those is to help the students understand what they made mistakes on so that they can retake it and be successful the second time around. So that's the only way to change a grade is to completely retake the test. Then our last thing, or I guess our next thing, is that our next test is going to be Thursday and Friday, the 24th and 25th. This is going to be a big test. It has 2 parts. It is long. They need to be prepared for this. It's on proportionality, which is the beginning of finding linear equations and slope and all of the things that they will need to be successful in 8th grade. So it's a very important test coming up on the 24th and 25th. One thing I really wanted to address was that when a student is absent, I'm having a lot of students absent frequently this year for various reasons. And so I have told them numerous times that they are responsible when they are absent to take care of that. They're supposed to be logging into Canvas. Every day we have notes and homework on Canvas posted where they can print them off and then watch the videos that have been posted on Canvas to get the notes completed and to help them with those homework assignments. They should be coming to the next class that they're back for, ready for the next lesson. Not coming to class saying, I've been absent for 4 days, what do I need to do? They should already be on Canvas when they're absent, being prepared for those things. And that's all I have for today. I hope you guys have a good week and we are ready for our test next time.